How to check Windows version in laptop or PC. Hi. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to find out which version of Windows your device is running. There are two ways to check Windows version. First way I will talk is a shortcut of the actual way. I will discuss both of them. So, let's get started without wasting time. Shortcut way. Press the Windows key, plus R, on your keyboard. Type W, I, N, V, E, R, in the search box, and click on OK. This will open Windows About page, where you can see the version of your Windows. Here is the actual step-by-step way to find the version of your Windows. Click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Click on System. Scroll down and click on About page. Scroll down until you see Windows Specifications. There you will see the version and edition of Windows along with other related information. That's it for this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.